How to learn English by music. Welcome to a fun way of learning. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about an exciting, fun, and powerful way to learn English through music. Have you ever found yourself singing along to an English song even without knowing all the words? Or maybe you remember a song's lyrics better than grammar rules? That's because music has a special way of helping our brains absorb language naturally. Many language learners struggle with memorizing vocabulary, understanding pronunciation, or getting used to fast speech. But what if I told you that listening to songs could help you improve all of these? In this article, I'll share effective methods, an inspiring story, and practical steps to help you use music as a tool for mastering English. Let's dive in. Why is music a powerful tool for learning English? Music is not just entertainment. It's an effective way to train your ears, improve pronunciation, build vocabulary, and even understand grammar naturally. Here's why. Helps memorization. The catchy melodies and repeated lyrics in songs make it easier to remember words and phrases without effort. Natural pronunciation and intonation. Singing along to songs improves your accent and helps you sound more natural. Emotional connection. Boosts learning. Music creates an emotional response, which helps you remember words better than boring textbook exercises. Real-life English. Unlike textbooks, songs use real conversational language including slang, idioms, and everyday phrases. Now let's explore how to effectively use music to improve your English skills. Step 1. Choose the right songs. Not all songs are ideal for learning English. Some are too fast, some use difficult vocabulary, and others may not have clear pronunciation. What to look for in a song, slow and clear. Lyrics: choose songs where the singer's words are easy to understand. Example, Adele, Ed Sheeran, or the Beatles. Everyday language. Pick songs that use simple conversational English. Example, Bruno Mars, Taylor Swift, or John Legend. Songs that you enjoy. If you love the song, you'll want to listen to it more, which means you'll learn faster. Best English songs for beginners. Someone Like You, Adele, slow and emotional. Perfect. Ed Sheeran, great for pronunciation. Count on Me, Bruno Mars, simple lyrics and positive message. Imagine, John Lennon, easy vocabulary and deep meaning. Step 2. Listen, read, and understand. The first time you listen to a song, just enjoy it. Then, follow these steps to turn it into a learning session. 1. Listen to the song normally. Focus on how it sounds without looking at the lyrics. Try to recognize familiar words. 2. Read the lyrics while listening. Look up any unfamiliar words and understand their meaning. Websites like lyrics.com or genius.com can help. 3. Translate and learn new words. Write down new words, their meaning, and some example sentences. 4. Listen again. Without lyrics, test yourself. See how much you can understand without reading. Example. Maria, a student from Spain, loved the song Thinking Out Loud by Ed Sheeran. At first, she only recognized a few words, but after reading the lyrics, she learned new phrases like, "Take me into your loving arms." Soon, she started using these expressions in conversations. Step 3. Sing along to improve pronunciation. One of the most effective ways to sound more like a native speaker is to sing along with songs. How does singing help? Improves pronunciation. Songs help you practice difficult sounds in a fun way. Teaches natural intonation. English has a rhythm, and singing helps you learn it. Boosts confidence. If you can sing in English, speaking will feel easier. How to practice singing in English. Start slow, choose a song with clear pronunciation. Sing with lyrics. First, follow the lyrics while singing. Sing without lyrics. Once you're familiar, try singing from memory. Record yourself. Compare your pronunciation with the original singer. Example: Ali, an English learner from Turkey, struggled with pronunciation. He started singing English songs daily, mimicking the singers. Within months, his speaking confidence skyrocketed and his accent improved. Step 4. Use songs to learn grammar and idioms. Songs often contain useful grammar structures, idioms, and phrasal verbs. Instead of memorizing boring grammar rules, you can learn them naturally through music. Examples of grammar in songs: If I Were a Boy, Beyoncé. Second conditional: if plus past simple, would plus verb. She don't know she's beautiful. Sammy Kershaw. Informal grammar: don't instead of doesn't in casual speech. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Bill Withers. Ain't. Informal way of saying isn't or there isn't. Challenge: pick a song, write down its grammar structures, and try to make your own sentences using them. Learning English doesn't have to be a difficult or boring process. In fact, music is one of the most enjoyable and powerful tools for mastering a language. It combines listening, pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar practice in a way that feels effortless and fun. Unlike traditional learning methods that can sometimes feel overwhelming, songs help you absorb English naturally, just like how children learn to speak. The melodies, rhythm, and repeated phrases in music make it easy for your brain to remember words, expressions, and even grammatical structures without having to study them in a textbook. If you make music a part of your daily routine, you'll start to notice amazing improvements in your English skills. Whether you're singing along in the shower, listening to a song while commuting, or analyzing lyrics to understand new phrases, every little effort adds up and brings you closer to fluency. Here's what you can do. Starting today, choose the right songs. Pick songs that match your level, ones with clear pronunciation and everyday language. Listen, read, and understand. Read the lyrics while listening. Look up new words and try to understand their meaning in context. Sing along to improve pronunciation. Singing along mimics real conversation and helps you sound more like a native speaker. Analyze grammar and expressions. Pay attention to contractions, idioms, and sentence structures in the lyrics. Make music a daily habit. Listen to English songs every day while doing daily activities like cooking, exercising, or commuting. The key is consistency and enjoyment. The more you engage with music, the faster you'll see results. Imagine this. One day, you're listening to your favorite English song, and suddenly you realize you understand every word without needing subtitles. You confidently sing along, pronouncing each word correctly and even using some of the song's phrases in conversations. Sounds amazing, right? This could be your reality if you practice regularly. So don't wait. Pick your favorite English song today and start your journey to fluency with music. The more you immerse yourself in songs, the easier and more enjoyable your English learning experience will be. Now, I have a question for you. What's your favorite English song to learn from? Drop it in the comments below. Let's share and learn together. Who knows? You might just discover a new song that helps you improve your English in a fun way.